Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. If you really have fine hair texture or you're opting for that shorter length that comes with those texture layers, you know, it will give you that excellent way for you to try some volume lift hair. This style today is a very reminiscent hairstyle that will create full and youthful look to your hair. One thing about today's hairstyle is that they are carefully selected for women with fine hair, and this hair adds movement and texture to your locks. So if you really want that slicker and more classic look, please watch this video to the end, because this styles lend some volume to your glam and it will create that kind of different vibe that allows you to showcase your hair to potentials. So if it's the first time you're wearing the styles today, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. Okay, take a good look on this cut. You can see how this cut is really calling for everyone who loves short hair. It's a style that will really take many years off your age, and it's a style that will turn eyes to you. It was great for people, that have this fine hair, and it will add a lot of movement and volume. One thing about today's style also is that you can also add it will add that softness to your face shape. So no matter the shape of your face, this haircut today will give you that more youthful vibe. So you can add some bangs if you wish, and it's a style that you can do, with just one brush or any type of rollers. I love this style because it's also that great combo of that Pixie, and the power, because it allows someone who really want to try that shorter style not to feel like they just cut off all their hair. It will always help to keep your hair's fullness and the right shape to add to the back and add lots of layers and that wispy perimeter for softness. So let me just let you guys to please watch this video to the end, because this styles today works well with almost every hair type and every hair color. God bless you guys. Please watch this video to the end. I appreciate my returning subscribers. I appreciate my new subscribers. Say Dr. Wendy Styles and see you in my next upload.
If you help me see ego, make you tell her I don't go. She no look me and so. If you help me see, make you tell her I don't go. She no look me and so. She don't break my heart. Can take it no more. Can stand it no more. So go. If I die now, I go happy. Say when I did this world, I don't fall in love. It's like I'm proving myself, and everything depends on you. Can't get my eyes off you. Girl, I'm in love with you, cause it ain't good. Cause now you be the one. Don't even think that I let you to suffer, cause you are my angel, my lover. Listen, so it's you won't believe if you don't believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave. With you won't believe if you don't believe me. I will not deceive, do not deceive me. Say my love go past the love you give me. If I fall your hand, I beg to leave me, baby. If you are my girl, I'll take you around the world. I'll take you places where you've never ever been before. So give me your hand, I'm giving you my heart. I promise I'll be loving you forever and ever. that I'll find someone like you that will capture my heart, and there's nothing I can do. Say I used to lie to myself that I'll always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry cause you don't make me fall in love.
If I die now, I go, I be say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did? Well, you did treat me so.
I don't beg, I don't do everything, but you tell me say you need time and you know fit there with me. Not so high pride. Anywhere I just go, if you help me see it go, make you tell him I don't go. She no look me so don't pang my let go. If you help me see it go, make you tell him I don't go. She no look me so don't pang my let go. I know say you they hear my voice, cause this song ain't my right for you. I had to go find one place where I go hide my head, cause I won't start my whole life anew.
Say I used to lie to myself that I'll always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, you don't make me fall in love. Fall in love, fall in love. We supposed marry cause you don't make me fall in
If I
love.
die now, I go, I be say when I did this one, I don't fall in love. Which one you did? Well, you did treat me so.
I don't beg, I don't do everything, but you tell me say you need time and you know fit there with me. Not so high pride. Anywhere I just go, if you help me see it go, make you tell him I don't go. She no look me so don't pang my let go. If you help me see it go, make you tell him I don't go. She no look me so don't pang my let go. I know say you they hear my voice, cause this song ain't my right for you. I had to go find one place where I go hide my head, cause I won't start my